Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto carrying. Okay, let's try maybe an open Sicilian. E5, bishop B7, bishop D3. I'll say Rhe1 Nc5 would be fun with the king in the centre, maybe. So knight D5 on B4, interesting. Try and play dynamically. Take and then knight D5. I'm trying to get a knight to F5. So
check.
Get knight F5. So anything on knight C6 or bishop F5? Bishop F5. Maybe knight C6 coming up. Will be fun. So that's the next set square. Queen E3, Queen E7. Okay. C3 for B4. Knight C6. Knight B3. Queen E3. Rook E3. Rook E3. Doubling. For Rook E7 there. Do this. Have I got anything? That's the question. B3. Rook D6 takes, check, King C7 after. It's not much. What about, okay, F5 for Queen F4. I was going to take on C6 soon. Not sure I've got anything. Oh, hang on. Queen E5 for Queen takes F7. Isn't that dangerous? Tanks, king tanks. It's not doing anything, is it? Bishop C8, bishop F5. What about back to E4? Takes check. It's not doing anything. Okay. Let's try and put the bishop back on E4. Like bishop E4. Is it under a bit of time pressure? If I get rook D6, then here I'm threatening rook D7, trying to get the queen. That's promising, isn't it? Also, rook takes A6 mate, threatened. Oh, yeah, he's getting the queen here. For rook and bishop. Yeah, I think I'm back in the game. Back in the game. I can take on A6.
Check.
Take here.
Check.
That's brutal, yeah. Oh, I disconnected and forfeited, yeah. Yeah, okay, it was, I don't know, sometimes it's difficult to defend. It's appearances are a bit deceptive sometimes. Knight D5 is engine's choice.
Check.
Interesting. Wow. I can't believe this. The engine actually likes this position. I cannot believe it. Not that move though. Knight C6 and white earlier. What's the idea here? I don't even know the idea. What is the idea? Okay, it's nothing but white. Okay, white earlier instead of. Is that a slight improvement earlier? Nope. Maybe.
Check.
Oh, to go to F7. Maybe the idea is valid. Going to the light squares. Okay, that should be equal if I get F7. Okay, maybe some recurrent themes that actually happen in the game. Going for F7. Alright, +5 nearly. Wow. Really? Queen D5. I don't know. I'm just going to take the bishop there. Okay. The engine's seized up. That's a shame. Stop. Go back to the game. Start the engine again. So I missed my shot for Queen D5. Hang on, knight takes. Is that mating or something?
Check. Check. Check.
This position.
Check.
Am I winning the queen? Alright, let's give up his queen. Incredible, incredible. So yeah, I missed my shot for Queen D5. That was a weakness of the last move, wasn't it? Because he's off D5, F7. So look at this again. Really?
Check.
So he goes over here and gets mated in one.
Checkmate.
So he has to take, right? Check.
Check.
D5.
Check.
Wow, what a line.
Check.
Wow. And if he doesn't move his bishop, I'm going to
Check.
win the queen. Okay, okay, interesting, yeah. So somehow I get it in now, much later it's not so good. Okay, it's okay.
Check.
What? I couldn't see what this
Check.
does. Oh, hitting the rook and d6. Oh, wow, it's not so bad as I thought this position.
Check.
Just hitting the rook and d6.
Check. Check. Check.
Yeah, yeah, it's
Check.
quite it can be quite brutal with that king exposed. So I had a few opportunities. I did take one with rook takes d6 though.
Check.
That's just brutal. Rook takes a6. Brutal. Otherwise, rook d7 is also good. But this is even better. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.